Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayushi Roy and today's video is a makeup tutorial for all my Muslim friends out there for Eid. So without wasting any much further time, let's get into the video. So I prepped my skin using the aloe vera gel as a primer, and now I'll be using the Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation in the shade Marble. So I'm gonna take the amount that is required for my face and then dab it all over my face using my fingers, and using a damp beauty blender I'm going to blend it really well so that there are no patches or cakey kind of finish. So yeah, now I'm going to take the rest and put it on my neck so that it gives an even skin tone wala finish. I'm gonna use the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact and set my foundation really well. This step really helps the oily skin people to make their makeup last longer. Now moving on to the eyes, we are going to use the Simply Pretty by Avon eyeshadow palette, and we are going to use the lighter shade which is kind of pink and light purple on all over our crease, plus little bit on the eyelids of the eye, and blend it out really well. Now I'm going to repeat the same step on the other eye, and yeah, blend. We are going to take the darker shade which is kind of mauve and use it on the crease of our eye to give our eyes a smoky effect, since I am doing a kind of mauve smoky eye. So yeah, I'm going to blend it all really well, and I'll repeat the same thing on the other eye. The brush that I'm using is from Avon and it's a normal eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to take the darker shade and apply it on my under eye to give my smoky eye a better look. Now we are going to take the lighter shade and apply it on our lid. Moving on to eyeliner, we are using the Lakme Insta liner, and I am going to do a classic wing eyeliner look. Let me warn you beforehand, I really struggle doing the perfect wing eyeliner on camera. So yeah, do cut me a slack on that. And I am struggling again. I don't know why I'm hiding. I'm so sorry. I think it's better we do it off camera and see. That's the result. Next we are going to apply the Lakme Iconic Kajal, and I really like applying kajal, let me tell you guys. Kajal really defines your eyes. I feel एक तो इतना सोया हुआ आईज लगता है ना मेरा कभी कभी, सो बट अभी थोड़ा सा डरावना लग रहा है, सो आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट अगेन. But yeah, it looks really good. Wow, I did it. I'm so proud of myself. Imagine me patting my back. Now I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. Now I don't really do my brows because I think they are quite well maintained. So yeah, I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows using that brush. Next we'll move on to blush. I'm using Avon ka lipstick in pure pink shade. I really love using lipsticks as my blush because it gives a more natural flushy look. So yeah, I am again using Avon's blusher brush, and let me tell you, this brush is amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna smile and put all the blush over my cheekbones and more like Charlie and on my nose, a little bit on my chin. And next, moving on to the lipstick. This is Maybelline's Nude Nuance. I love this lipstick. This is like the one lipstick that I could find which is just perfect for me because I really love brown tones, and this is not too dark, not too light. It's just perfect nude in brown tone shades. So yeah. And that's the final look, you guys. I'm so happy it turned out so well. And for my hairstyle, I just opened up my hair and put it on one side of my neck. And now I'm going to wear some jhumkas. Look at those pretty jhumkas. I got them recently from a neighbor friend of mine, and they're quite trendy, and I love these jhumkas. And for my outfit, I'm just wearing a normal simple white kurta with some colorful flowers drawn on it, or you can say leaves drawn on it. And yeah, that's my final look. It's such a simple look, you guys. You should definitely try this out. And one more thing, I did not use mascara because my mascara kind of expired and it's lockdown, so yeah. I literally ran out of so many products due to lockdown. I cannot even purchase them right now because of late delivery and all sort of things. So yeah, I'm putting my eyeshadow as my highlighter. I'm using the lighter shade on my cheeks and my cupid's bow, and yeah, I think this is finally my complete look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and Eid Mubarak, guys. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Bye.